You know, I have a forecast for the summer this year. It's long, it's hot, and it's brutal. Now that really puts a lot of stress on our landscape plants, in particular bedding plants that we rely on for beautiful color in flower beds and containers and window boxes. These plants have really got to hold up to 90-degree days and 70-something degree nights for a very long time until September or October. I've surrounded myself here with a bunch of the very best of the heat-tolerant bedding plants for Louisiana gardeners. Now these are all in hanging baskets or pots, but all these plants are outstanding in beds as well. I just chose these because there were so many plants together that I could show you. Now let's start off with this gorgeous ornamental grass. This is Fireworks Pennisetum. It's a really great plant for sunny areas. Indeed, all these plants do well in the sun. Don't forget the coleuses and their brilliant colored foliage. They stay attractive all summer. And if you want something cool and delightful, Dusty Miller with its silvery leaves is a wonderful foil to the hotter colors. Blue is great in the garden, psychologically cooling. This is Evolvulus Blue Days, a wonderful plant. This particular one is called Blue My Mind. This is periwinkle, and of course everybody knows how well they perform here during the summer. Don't overlook angelonias. Here's some beautiful ones here. The lantanas that bloom so beautifully and attract butterflies, and finally cannas produce gorgeous foliage as well as flowers. A quick overview of many of the plants that will grow all summer, provide color until late summer or fall, and do beautifully here in Louisiana. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.